a Ukrainian Tu-143 jet-powered drone, dating from the late Cold War era, was shot down over western Russia. Ukraine deliberately issued primitive weapons left by the Soviet Union to be used as air defense bait or to outwit the opponent, as well as covert attacks. From photos posted to Russia's Telegram instant messaging service by the governor of the Kursk Oblast, Western Russia region, Roman Starovoyt, showing the wreckage of the Tu-143's tail. Although badly damaged, the parts shown in the 4 images are clearly visible. Comes from the Tu-143 drone. Good morning. I published an image of the drone we shot last night. Soviet-era Ukrainian Tu-141 Strizh flew into our airspace. The Investigative Committee is working on the location where the debris was found, wrote Roman Starovoyt, who mistakenly identified the Tu-143 drone as the Tu-141, quoted by SINDOnews from the War Zone page, Thursday, the 30th of June 2022. The drone appears to have suffered severe damage from a surface-to-air missile with a fragmentation warhead. Several small punctures on the skin of the drone's body were clearly visible from shrapnel. There has been no clear confirmation as to whether the drone was operated by Ukraine, although from the wreckage of the drone there appears to be strong evidence. Moreover, Ukraine had previously used a similar drone, namely the Tu-143 in a conflict with Russia, but it strayed and crashed in the Zagreb region, the capital of Croatia, on March 10, 2022. Quoted from the Warzone page, the Tu-141 and Tu-143 drones are classified as primitive weapons because they were developed by the Soviet Union during the Cold War. Both drones carry out tactical reconnaissance missions, carrying optical cameras, TV sensors and infrared. As a primitive cruise missile, the Tu-143 can also serve as a functional revenge weapon aimed at attacking Russian military facilities and infrastructure at the rear. Moreover, the Tu-143 drone has a range of 125 miles, around 201 kilometers, and the larger Tu-141 has a range of about 650 miles or 1,046 kilometers. The identification of the use of old Tu-141 and Tu-143 drones, along with increasing Ukraine's attack activity beyond its borders. An account in the Times of London recently described how troops from the Shaman Battalion, nicknamed Ukraine's 10th Special Forces Detachment, had taken part in cross-border sabotage missions. The exact target is kept secret, but the team's efforts across the border help explain how Russian oil refineries, ammunition depots and communications networks have been mysteriously sabotaged, the newspaper reported.